Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the water inlet fill hose on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's cracked or damaged, causing water to leak on the floor. For this repair, you'll need a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And then we're going to take the water inlet assembly off. So now we're going to grab the clamp here on the fill hose, and we're going to move that up a little bit so we can get the fill hose off of the water inlet assembly. And then we're going to take the clamp off of the fill hose here, and then just set that on there for now. And now we're just going to unclip the fill hose from the assembly here. And now we'll remove it from this bracket, so we'll just bend the bracket down a little bit and slide the hose out from there, just like that. And now we're going to grab the clamp on the other end and move that up, and we should be able to disconnect the fill hose. There we go. And now I just need to take the clamp off of the old fill hose here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement fill hose. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And I'm going to put our clamp onto the fill hose here, all the way down. And now I can connect it to that nozzle right there and push it straight down as far as we can. I'm going to squeeze that with our channel locks and move the clamp down to secure it. There we go. And now we can put the hose back through this bracket here, and if you want, you can just pull it straight down and make that a little bit easier on yourself as well. And it just sits right up in there. Now I'll be putting this clamp on this end of the hose here and pushing it all the way down. And now I can hook our hose back up to our water inlet assembly. And again, we're going to use our channel locks, squeeze the clamp, and push that down to secure it. There we go. And now I'm just going to snap the hose back into place on the water inlet assembly and put it back in right here. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.